Okay, YouTube. So, I bought these 2 panels. Actually, I got 4 of these. Total 4 of these and 3 of these. So, what I did is, I want to make sure there's correct voltage and amperage on going out and charge my 150. So, what I did is I make this wiring harness wire back. I bought these connectors at the electronics store. Same thing with this. So this guy plugs into the solar panel, and this one plugs into the 150. And here is check for the amperage. So yeah, split the. What I end up doing is splitting the positive lead. Come back out here. And also, since I split the positive lead, you can check the voltage also. So this outside is negative, the inside is positive, so this connects to the solar panel. So if I hook up my positive lead, or it doesn't matter, it will be negative or positive, depends on the black wire or red wire hooking up to the voltmeter. But anyways, positive, and hook up to negative like that. When you can pull that prong out. I'll show you in a minute. Like this, kind of hard with the phone, and so similar like that. Okay, so you still have the connection. Just take this lead, like that. Okay, so go like that. Another lead towards like this, and you check the voltage. I'll show you guys in a couple minutes. So anyways, also I noticed on these panels imperfections. So this one I just bought from Costco, so you could actually see, oh, my light's on. You could actually see their imperfection and there too. So you notice some things, imperfection stuff. So anyways, I'm not sure that matters. I think I'm not getting the right voltage, but the right amperage on one panel is not right. Got full sun, no clouds in the sky. So let's hook this up. Let's make this going, okay? Just like the video, make a comment so I could give you guys more detail when I have time. So what I end up doing is, so this guy goes to here, and this guy goes to the 150. Let's plug it in. Okay. So now, you can see, if I release, oh, you can't see it. There it is. I lay it down so you can see it. Okay, so it's at 100% right now. But if I connect these, I disconnect these for the amp meter, so you could take the amp meter and clamp it on. Okay, so you connect these, it makes a complete circuit. So it's charging. Okay, so you take the panel, you go like that. Okay, upside down, doesn't matter. Alright, make sure this is the correct angle. I have to fix the angle. Okay, so what I'm doing now is I'm going to take this lead, this jumper, okay, click it right there, make sure these splits apart. Like that, okay? So then you take your amp meter. This does DC. This is you can see it. This is all the information on there. Okay, so zero it out. So it is charging. Panel's like right there. No debris on the panel. Take it like that. So that was selling. I mean, you know, this may be too long. It doesn't matter. You know. So less amperage, 0.40. Okay, it's almost like a half an amp. 5 is half an amp, so it's about 430 milliamps. Right now, you know, it's fluctuating, so I don't want to spend too much time on that. But anyways, so here it is. So now checked in the voltage. So what I did is DC. Make sure you're on DC. Take one lead on the positive because I split this. Remember, I split this. If I could not combine them together, that makes it complete circuit. Okay, so I'm gonna check the voltage. So this is fine. This jumper is fine. Alright. So it's, right now it's hooked up, still charging. So take this lead, put it right here. Space this out a little bit. Not too much. See, when you do too much, there it is. It's charging right now. Alright. So take this guy. Right. Take this guy like that. Alright, 14. I'm holding really tight. Don't know why it's fluctuating. So the average, say 14 volts, say 13.79, you know. Okay, so it's still charging. Here's the panel. So at 420 milliamps. So, and when you do that, you know, I don't notice much difference when I angle it. You know, I could angle it right now. Bear with me with the camera shot. Using my cell phone, so yeah, 14. So it's right now directly out of the sun. Same thing, 14 fluctuates. So there it is. So I got the second panel right here, and you put them in parallel. The voltage stays the same, but the amperage doesn't. This is the 15, boulder 15. You combine them, it would be boulder 30. So there it is. Let's see how much feedback I got. Depends on the feedback. If I have chance, I could do it again. More detail. I have a strong background with electronics and electrical. So to make something like this is kind of, you know, not tricky, but you have to think about it. You know, you have to split the positive lead. This is a connector inside it. I soldered all my joints. So make it look nice. Get the sleeve. Make it look pretty. So here it is. So I'm gonna see how everything goes with this. Thanks for watching. Bye.